It's October, and we have lots of great techie updates to share with you. So let's begin. Up first, MagicSchool AI. MNPS educators now have access to MagicSchool AI, an AI-powered resource built to support creativity, efficiency, and engagement in every classroom. Join the Level 1 Welcome to Magic School training on October 7th to see how AI can help you plan lessons, differentiate instruction, and inspire new ways to teach and learn. Meet PowerBuddy, your AI assistant. Don't forget, PowerBuddy is now built into Schoology to help you save time, spark creativity, and personalize learning. From generating lesson ideas to creating accessible materials, it makes teaching more efficient and engaging. Check out this quick video overview teaching the basics of PowerBuddy, and feel free to share with a colleague. As always, keep in mind you can access DSI's professional learning opportunities to support technology integration and strengthen instruction. Explore our 2025-2026 offerings on the Professional Learning Experiences page. Computer science support. From music to medicine, sports to space, computers are transforming every industry. Computer Science Education Week is our chance to explore its impact in our everyday lives. Join us for Computer Science Everywhere on November 17th, a celebration of creativity, problem solving, and innovation right here in MNPS. Come learn, explore, and play with computer science kits and resources as we kick off CS Ed Week together. Register today for Computer Science Everywhere. Here's a quick reminder, taking care of your laptop helps it last longer and perform better for learning. This short video gives students simple, practical tips to keep their devices in good shape all year. It's an easy resource to share in class or at school events to build strong laptop care habits. Blended learning tips and other resources. From global breakthroughs to classroom innovations, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live, work, and learn. Stay ahead with the AI in Education newsletter, your go-to source for practical strategies, tools, and tips to support teaching and learning. Click the link to explore the latest edition. Looking to utilize Minecraft education with your students? We've created a quick step-by-step tutorial supporting students and teachers installing it to their devices. Share this resource with your colleagues and students to make setup smooth and simple. If you run into any issues, please submit a Services for You ticket for support. If you're looking for a new app for your Windows laptop, well, here's a quick way to get it done. Just open Company Portal. Find it in your Start menu or search Company Portal. Think of it as your very own work app store. Browse a list of approved apps, click Install, and you're ready to go. If you don't see the app that you need, simply submit a Services for You help ticket and our team will get it added for you. DSI levels of support for teachers. Our instructional technology team is here to help every teacher every step of the way. From quick online resources to personalized coaching, our 4 tiers of support ensure you get exactly the assistance you need when you need it. Watch this quick video to see how we can support you. Last but not least, thinking of purchasing software? Well, before buying, check the approved software list in Veracity to see if it's already approved. If it's not listed, submit a request through Services for You so it can be reviewed for approval, compatibility, and data privacy. Some reviews may take extra time, so please plan ahead. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected.